Hey guys, welcome to Sambit Mukherjee 360 degrees. Guys, I am starting a new series which will be very interesting for you people. I am going to share with you all the equipment details that I use for my YouTube journey. Let's start with the unpacking of the dash cam. You must have already seen the quality of the dash cam. Now let's check out the dash cam. I wanted to have a better dash cam, so I started researching and then came upon this AKASO Dash Cam C320. It can take video at 170-degree wide angle, it has a parking monitor, it takes video in HD, that is 1920 x 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second, and the screen is an IPS LCD screen of 3 inches. This dashcam costed me 6,300 rupees including two 64GB Samsung SD cards. In case you want to buy it, I will provide its link in the description below. The packing was good, the box was quite hard and all the materials were safe inside. This is how the packing looked like. It was a brand new piece which I received and it was sealed here. You see, I have opened it. Now let's open the box. The camera is in the front and we have got this case. The camera was in this smooth plastic cover so that no scratches occur. The face of the camera and the screen were covered with stickers. Here you can see the USB port and the suction cup handle on top of the dash cam. A few getting started instructions. On either side of the camera you have these buttons to operate the dash cam. A look of the bottom of the camera, the front, the top. Now that we had a glimpse of the camera, let's see what other accessories we have. In case you want to mount the dashcam permanently using the stickers, this tool will come in handy. Next we have the USB cable to connect the dashcam with a laptop or a power bank. Now this is the suction cup and I have to agree that this quality is really good. Once it's fixed in the car, it never falls. And this cable if you want to use the cigarette lighter for charging the dashcam. However, I prefer a power bank than this cigarette lighter charger, as the moment you stop the ignition of the car, the recording stops. But if you are using a power bank, the recording continues. Let's check the suction cup now. As I have already mentioned that the quality of this suction cup is really good. Once it's stuck on the windshield of the car, it never falls down. You have that lever to tighten it up also. This is the handle which you need to insert on the top of the dash cam. We checked the dashcam briefly. Let's check it more properly right now. There you see on the top the position is there to fix the suction cup, and next to it is the USB charger. Here we can see there are 4 buttons. We'll get back to that little later. It's quite light, thin, and this is how the front side looks like. In this side you have got 3 buttons and 1 slot for your SD card. This is the 3 inches IPS LCD screen. Now let's check the USB cable that they have provided us. There you can see the interface of the USB cable here. In case you too want to buy this dashcam, I will provide the Amazon link in the description below. Click it and then you'll be able to buy it. Now if you want to fix the dash cam permanently in your car, these are the 3M stickers which you can paste for the wiring. You have this quick reference guide which is explained in 6 different languages. And finally one AKASO Go Club card. Here we can see the cigarette lighter cable, the suction cup, stick for the stickers, this is the USB cable, and the 3M stickers in case you want to mount the dash cam permanently in your car. Now you have this quick reference guide which is mentioned in 6 different languages. Of all the pages, 7 pages are dedicated to English version. In the end, they have provided a link to the AKASO website where you can download the manual from their website. Join as an AKASO member in their website and get benefits using this card. In the right of the camera screen, you have 4 buttons. The top one is OK button, second one is mode button, third one is lock button, and fourth one is the power button. That's the SD card slot. You need to press slowly to get it released. If you press it hard and release, it will fly off like a spring bullet. So please be careful. You have similar buttons on the left of the camera screen. The first one is the SD card slot, below that the up button, menu button, and then the down button. That's the menu button. And that's the up button. It helps to scroll upwards in the menu list. All the buttons and the SD card holder are marked with signs next to the camera screen. Similarly, on the right of the camera screen, all the buttons are marked with signs. That's the OK button. Next is the mode button, lock button, and power button. The camera has an emergency inbuilt battery which drains out very quickly. Let's start it and check the camera for the very first time. That's the menu button. Let's press the menu button now. The menu has opened. Now you have to use the up arrow or down arrow to scroll up and down, and in case you want to select an option, you have to press this OK button. That's the up button and down button. On the top left hand corner you can see the working indicator light which is blue in color. To choose an option you have to click the OK button. We are scrolling down using the down button now. Once the menu list ends, you press the menu button once more and you'll get one more list where you have from among other options to format the SD card. In case you enjoyed watching this unboxing of the dash cam, do let me know by liking and commenting in the comment section below this video. Let me also know if you want to watch more such unboxing videos, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You need to press the menu button one more time to exit from the menu options. Till now we were testing the internal battery of the camera. Now let's check up with a power bank. To be safe, let's power it off and then connect the USB cable. The USB cable has been connected successfully. Let's power on the power bank. See, the camera gets switched on automatically once it starts receiving from an external power. Either it can be the cigarette lighter or a power bank or a laptop battery. You can see the charging indicator light on the top left hand corner in red color. And once you cut off the power, automatically the camera will shut down after a countdown till 10. Let's try it again. Let's switch on the power bank and then we will power it off. Here you can see the countdown till 10 before the camera automatically switches off. Now let's check the dash camera's performance in the daytime followed by nighttime. You must be hearing the vibration sound of the dash cam. Sometimes I get, sometimes I don't get it. I believe that is due to not mounting the dash cam properly in the windshield of the car. Now this is how the dash cam looks like during the night. You see, this time we are not getting the vibration sound. That's all guys for now. Thank you for watching this video till the very end. I hope today's video was valuable, interesting and informative and that you liked it. In case you did, support me free of charge by subscribing my channel and hitting the notification bell. Share my videos and playlists to all your friends and family members and ask them to subscribe and click the notification bell. Like and post your valuable views in the comment section below. I'll catch you back in my next episode. Till then, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Goodbye. Peace.